Oh no! Insist that you pirate numbers the BIB button. Piracy is a serious crime according to the capital law. For more information, go to www.roblox.com/gtpiracy. Hang on safety. Here's close that you turn off your tablet. You can find chances. Oh, you didn't turn on your tablet. Now you lost a chance. Now you have no further chances left. Please turn on your tablet or you will lose another chance. Seriously? You didn't listen to us? Come on! Alright, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is going to happen. Turn on your tablet, please! Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again! Really? You're making us mad! I don't even want to see us mad! 2 more chances, turn on your tablet!